After 10 years of use, we finally put a hole in our trampoline mat, and we're going to show you how to fix it today. The things you'll need to fix your trampoline is one thick needle, fishing line, pliers, scissors, and repair mesh. First thing you want to do is cut a piece of mesh slightly bigger than your hole. Looks good. Next thing you're going to want to do is double up your heavy duty fishing line and thread it through your needle. So you're going to get someone to help you so you can go from top to bottom and sew the patch to the mat. Just keep on sewing back and forth with your partner until you complete your circle. When you're done, tie it off with a knot. So there you go, that's what the finished patch looks like. Now it's time to bounce on your trampoline. Happy bouncing.